Alright guys, today I'll be showing you guys on how to claim free DoggieLaunch token, which is called Doggy token. So it's a pretty easy step. So all you have to do is to go to your Trust wallet, and locate this place you see here. This place you call browser. After clicking on that, then you now go to the search or enter website URL. After that you have to click on the paste the link. And I've already gotten the link, so all I have to do is to paste it there. And now all you have to do next is to locate where you see claim 5 doggy. And you have to click on that. Let me show you guys. If it is pretty small, you have to click on that. It's going to take you here. As you can see, DoggieLaunch is a Polygon network. So all you have to do is to click on this main wallet. You click on that, then you have to search for Polygon. As you can see here is Polygon. You click on that. And now you have to click on connect. Right now, mind you, they're gonna be sending you to a smart contract, where you can get send a little amount of BNB to them, or so whatever coin they're asking for. As you can see here, they are saying each of saying Ethereum. 35 Ethereum is not supposed to be so. It's supposed to be BNB, right? So when you do that, boom, you'll be claiming your 5 doggy. So let me do that again. Let me show you guys. Polygon. Click on that. I don't know, there's something wrong with it, that's why. So they're going to take you to not Ethereum. They're going to take you to your BNB. All right, say to your own day, you're going to take it to your BNB. Then you have to click after this you have to click how's it called, pay, and then that is all. So if you love what I just showed you guys, I want you guys to hit that subscribe button, and don't forget to turn on the bell icon, so when next I upload a video you will get notified. Thank you for watching this video. Peace out.